want to do a demonstration on Jane Iredale BB cream. So got great response in regards to the post we put up. So I'm going to do a full makeup of Jane Iredale, but I'll concentrate on different things, but it is the BB cream I'm going to be using for my foundation. Jane Iredale products not only enhance your own beauty, but it is also, to me, a true extension of skincare. The mineral foundation just makes my life so much easier because it's a concealer, it's a foundation, it's your SPF, and it's got your active skincare benefits in it as well. The entire range has been formulated and tested to confirm that it is non-irritating and doesn't block pores even if you've got the most sensitive skin. So I'm going to come on and talk about the primer. This is Smoothifier, so you have this for dry skin and for oily skin. This is beautiful. Anybody that knows this loves it. As soon as you smell it, you're like, what is that? So it has grapefruit extract in it, which is hydrating. It does give you an luminous finish, and it protects and hydrates the skin, and it just helps to minimize your imperfections in your skin. So I literally put out a bit and then just rub it all in. So a bit more over. But as soon as this goes on, everybody loves it. They're like, what's that smell? So it's the grapefruit. I'm just working it into the skin, and this is just very crunchy. So everybody loves different tones, different shades. I actually am like more of a beige shade. So number 8 and number 4 is my colours that I would use. 8 if I've makeup on or tan on, should I say. So this is buildable. You can go as full on glam or as little as you want. You can lighten it up if you've got the primer. You can mix these two together, or you can mix this in with a bit of moisturiser. So you literally need a dot of this, and this is what I love about this, is the bottle is such value for money. It's a 50ml. You will have an SPF. Lighter shades are 17, darker shades up to 25, so you have a brilliant SPF coverage. It is skin cancer foundation recommended, which is huge. I just love it for the coverage and how easy it is. If you have any redness, dull skin, anything like that, I mean, it is just amazing. So I literally put out like a pea size. Like, you can work this whatever way you want, but put this out. And then what I do use is a beauty blender. So I love the beauty blenders, and I just find that I just get a better coverage and just that flawless finish with it. So I'm actually gonna, the next wee part, what I will do is I'll bring the camera in a bit closer so you can see just the finish of it. But this conceals, this hydrates, it just does it all. So I'd say I do love it, and a little goes a long way. Like a lot of people, and I will be honest with you, I was probably one of them people at the start that, because we always want our SPF down our neck and blend it down. So you have a full coverage, luminous, really, really flawless. And again, like, if you want more, you just build up another layer. So it is on the same sort of spectrum of shades, but it would be definitely a bit lighter. So I'm going to show you, it's just, this is literally my under eye concealer. And again, because you've got all the health skin benefits, you've no talc, you've nothing like that. It is a lot more brightening. So you can see that, the way it pops and conceals. So I would just have these two, and then I just literally put it on wherever I feel I need a wee bit lighter for contouring or highlighting. And then again, beauty blender, and just blend all in. So it is so versatile. But it just means in your health skin. Like, the way I look at it is that, like, if you're going to invest in a lot of money in your skincare, why are you not doing that into your foundations? Like, whenever you put makeup on, it's on your skin for a good, like, it could be 12 to 16 hours a day, and you just want your skin, like, to be doing the best it can. Like, I hate undoing. Whenever you've invested so much money into skincare, why do you undo it then with your makeup? Between maybe blocking the pores, or filled with synthetic dyes, or just being comedogenic. So that is literally my foundation. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to come on just to show you the other foundations. Now this is the salon ones, but it is the same concept where it's your loose powder and this is your amazing base and then this is your pure press base. So this is what I'm going to use to set and this is what I'm going to use for contour. So you can get these in retail as well, but her amazing base will be an SPF 20. It's a finer and it's a loose mineral, but so pure. This was actually one of her first products that she ever invented. Anybody with redness, inflammation, fine lines, it is brilliant for mature skin because it doesn't sit into the skin. So how you always do your mineral is that you press in and then you pull down. So press in and pull down and you literally just get that matte finish that you need. And then her pure press base, I love. So this is the one I'm going to come on to show you inside a contour with. I would use this in Golden Glow and this would be one of my favourite foundations to use ever. It is so easy, so buildable. It's brilliant for acne skin. Her foundations are dry, so they're inert is what they would call it. So it means that no bacteria can form on it if it's dry. And I just find it's so healing. It's got your zinc oxide in it and it's just amazing. So I'm going to start, and this is Cognac, which is actually one of her pure press base foundations for a darker skin tone, but I love this for my contour. So bringing this on just to create the cheekbones. It smells incredible. So this sets your minerals, refreshes your minerals and hydrates the skin. So what I mean by that is that if you're using your Jane Iredale powder throughout the day, you don't need to be reapplicating. All you have to do is spray it, and it recycles your minerals and balances it all out again. So just gonna come on so spritz. So I'm gonna come on then next of all, I'm gonna let this all dry in and I'm gonna come on with Moon Glow. So Moon Glow is actually one of our beautiful bronzers, but this is actually like a 4-in-1. So you can use this on your lips, on your cheeks, bronzer, highlighter, everything. I actually love this. Like I have this years, and I'm not saying that like lately. I've used this so much in the salon, and it just doesn't seem to eat away. I know a lot of people, like other ones do, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to come on to show you how I'm going to do my eyes. Blusher. So the blusher, I have to say I love the blusher. The one thing I do love about her blushers is that there's no synthetic dyes in it. So it's pure mineral. It's not going to clog. It's not going to break you out. Non-comedogenic. It's free of fillers as well. So this is Whisper. So you can see, like, you just tap it and so much comes out. So again, smile it, get it on the apples and then bring it up. We are nearly finished. So mascara and lip eye. So I'll get that on next now. I'm laughing because I forgot to put on my highlighter from a Moon Glow. So again, coming on with this wee one and just highlighter. So usually what I do is I just swirl it around the whole thing, tap it, and then just pop it on. You can focus on like one shade if you want. Like you can just literally work it into the lighter shade if you want, but if you want it that wee bit warmer, so subtle. And then we'll go on to the other side. So I'm just working on this side with just the lighter one. Always do the top of the lips, make them pop. I hate my nose, but anyway. So you can see how natural that is. It's not like full on, but popping. So Moon Glow, eyes, if you wanted, you could put it on your lips. Like literally. Put it on. And then apply your gloss over the top of it. That's not a way of doing it. You can mix it in with gloss, do whatever. So I'm going to come on next with my mascara. So this is Longest Lash. I don't know if anybody's used this, but I actually love this. The reason being, you're in a tube. So you can literally squeeze this up. Value for money. Like, it is a massive size of product. It is for more of a full lash effect. It is thickening. And if it dries, usually what I say to any girls is that spritz your brush with, again, your palm mist. Get your brush damp, put it in, it shouldn't dry out. So this is my own, so I'm going to come on just and work my eyelashes up with it. And I'll show you one compared to the other. So that's one eye compared to the other one. Okay, so come on to finish the other one. This is one of my favourite wee products that she has. Lip fixation. I don't know if yous are the same or not, but my lipstick never holds. I cannot get lipstick to hold. It always has to be like a matte or full proof lipstick. So moist ones are lovely, but they don't work for me. It is more something that I need it to stay in my lip. So I'm going to come on again. This is my own, but this is her lip fixation. So what you'll have in this is your colour and your gloss. Alright, so this is crazy. And I love this wee colour, especially for this time of year. You can see how wore out it is, or wore down it is. So the way I do this is I put this on. And then I'll do a second coat. So I always do 2 coats of my lip fixation to make sure that you are getting the true colour up. So one layer, so it is nice and sheer of itself, and then I'll go on and just build it up. So there you go. Lips done. Now you can use the gloss in the end, it does complement it. I do love her glosses, but I actually have a favourite, and it's called Snowberry. And again, she's got a tube that you can push up. So see all these products that you can't get the base off or the bum off. Like, that's what I love. Like, literally, I'll show you in here. It's like literally you can squeeze it and it'll just push up. So you can get everything out of it. Her packaging is amazing, very functional. So this is High Shine. And I actually had used this a lot just by itself. Even just do your lip liner and that's it. But that's the finished look. So again, just always finish off with an RE spritz. I love spritzing, love it. So that's palm mist to finish it, and that sets everything. And then if you need to like touch up or anything, like, that's the lovely thing, is that all you need is your palm mist. You can bring out your set powders, touch up if you feel you need it. Going over her things again, I suppose her big selling points is it's a 4-in-1. So her foundations are concealers, foundations, SPF, and she's got her active vitamins for her skincare. Fast and lightweight, there's no talc in it, you don't feel this on your skin. Coverage is amazing with anything, any skin concerns. The hair, so your minerals really stick together. And I just find it's lovely, even for like menopausal ladies that are sweating. I would actually